have a look at this cool house named Lindendale. This house is a rarely unique one. It is made from shipping containers by an Australian company known for its speedy work. Its construction was completed in just 10 weeks, taking only 5 hours to position the containers. The company's efficiency is due in part to making the containers themselves. Lindendale specifically uses 6-meter containers. Inside, it gets even more exciting. The owner customized a fancy kitchen with a sliding window and a special library with some unique bookshelves. If you're wondering about its prices, they vary and are negotiated individually. For a house up to 250 square meters, the down payment is around $12,700. New Zealand hosted a special exhibition featuring Van Gogh's artwork, creating a unique experience under the starry night sky. The organizers ingeniously used 52 containers to set up a temporary gallery, equipped with 21 projectors to display Van Gogh's masterpieces. Attendees has the opportunity to appreciate not only the renowned works like Irises and Starry Night, but also some of Van Gogh's lesser-known early pieces. To enhance immersion, organizers employed Sensory 4 technology, providing crystal clear views and adding animations to bring the paintings to life. This innovative approach allows visitors to step fully into Van Gogh's world and enjoy his creations in a captivating and dynamic way. Mod Pools specializes in creating pools from recycled shipping containers, an unconventional but popular choice with a starting price of $285,000. These pools, available in lengths of 4, 5, 6, and 12 meters, attract buyers despite their recycled origin. Customers can personalize their pools with optional features, such as ladders and spa chairs. The default gas heating system is robust, capable of warming the water to 30 degrees C, even in freezing temperatures, as low as -10 degrees Celsius. Additionally, customization options include adding partitions to create a designated hot tub area. For more, it's a unique and customizable pool solution that has found widespread appeal. Floating islands seems to be a thing. The creators of these floating islands envision them as a futuristic and sustainable approach to urban living, construction, and development. Each island consists of a concrete platform with 9 containers on top, creating space for apartments and communal areas like barbecue spots. These innovative islands utilize solar panels for power, and the apartments are equipped with water supply and heating systems. What about that? Additionally, they feature wastewater treatment systems. A real-life example of this concept is seen in Copenhagen, where a neighborhood of these islands has been built in the city's harbor, offering 72 apartments. It's a glimpse into a future-fit lifestyle that embraces sustainability and modern living in urban environments. Have you heard about the special stadium in Qatar for the 2022 FIFA World Cup? Well, it's called 974, a name with dual significance. 974 inches is Qatar's international phone code, and it also represents the exact number of cargo containers used to construct this 40,000-seat stadium. These containers not only form the stadium's walls, but also house essential amenities like restrooms and stores. Many consider 974 the world's first temporary World Cup stadium. Iconic players like Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi, and Kylian Mbappe played on its field. Post-championship, they dismantled the 974 stadium. However, there's exciting news. There are discussions about relocating this unique stadium to Uruguay as part of the 2030 World Cup, as suggested by the Financial Times. Take a moment to explore Container 775, a restaurant in Brazil that's not only visually appealing, but also renowned for its delectable dishes. With a notable Google rating of 4.7 out of 5, it offers a budget-friendly dining experience, with meals costing around $12. The menu is diverse, featuring international options such as pizza, fries, and burgers. Beyond the tasty food, Container 775 is an ideal space for hosting parties, providing ample room for gatherings. After lunch, consider catching a flight from Brazil to South Africa, specifically Johannesburg, the country's largest city. In this vibrant city, a neighborhood has been transformed into a hipster haven using numerous shipping containers. A standout feature is Drivelines, an apartment complex made from 140 containers providing 100 studios ranging from 4 to 60 square meters. If you're contemplating a move, the monthly rent for an apartment in Drivelines is approximately $250. What are your thoughts? Would you consider renting an apartment in this unique and trendy place? In South Korea, there's a distinctive observation tower named Sky is the Limit, crafted from containers. How about that, huh? To enjoy the view from its 20-meter height, you climb 5 flights of stairs, a climb well rewarded. Erected in 2008, this tower gracefully overlooks the beach. The design harmoniously combines a slender spiderweb-like frame with 2 substantial container heads. Reviews suggest that visiting each head provides a truly unique and memorable experience. Transform a shipping container into a portable house, add wheels, and you've got CSABOX. These setups utilize 6-meter containers, making them a cool choice for camping and travel enthusiasts, or even as a mobile office. CSABOX can expand by 5 meters, providing a total space of 36 square meters. Inside, you'll find a bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, and a living area, all furnished with appliances and a stylish decor. If you want your dream CSABOX, the company offers an online configurator where you can fill out a form to customize your own. It's a convenient and versatile solution for those seeking mobility and comfort on the go. Containers played a vital role in transforming a school in the United States. By incorporating 32 containers, they expanded the school's floor space by 929 square meters and introduced a new gym. The added advantage is that if the school ever decides to relocate, they can effortlessly move these containers to a new location. Sound like a comic book story from 1980s. Furthermore, since these containers are crafted from recycled materials, it's an environmentally friendly solution. This successful project earned them the prestigious Green Design Award, acknowledging eco-friendly products, services, and projects. The award is a testament to their commitment to sustainability and innovation, recognized by a panel of experts. Have a look at Container Motorbike Storage POD. Add roller shutters to a container, and it becomes versatile for various purposes. A standard 6-meter container offers ample space for storage or a workshop. You have flexibility in choosing between regular, fire-resistant, or soundproof shutters based on your requirements. The lifting mechanisms can be either electric or manual, and the shutters can extend up to 10 meters in width, with the height determined by the container size. These robust shutters are designed to withstand wind, water, and vandalism. Additionally, you can personalize them by selecting any color you prefer. It's a practical and customizable solution to enhance the functionality of shipping containers for diverse uses.